Hello everyone, Teacher Greg here. Today we will be talking about different ways of cooking things. Okay, so we've all got an oven at home, probably, but how do we cook in the oven? There are two ways. The first way, we put something in the oven, just put it in when it's hot. We call this baking. We bake. For example, we might bake a cake, or we could bake a potato. We just take the food and put it in a hot oven. That is baking. So what's the other method of cooking in an oven? Well, it's similar, but there is a key difference. This other method is called roasting. We roast something. To roast something, we have to add fat, like butter or oil. We add this to it, put it in the oven, and then we are roasting. Normally, we roast for a long time, and it is for things like meat, so we might make roast beef. So in the oven, we can bake or we can roast. This next one is quite simple. You do it for rice and pasta. In a pan, could be a saucepan, we add water. And then we make the water very hot, 100 degrees Celsius. And then we add the food, and this is called boiling. We boil the food. So rice in hot water, we boil. You can boil vegetables, or of course, pasta, that is boil. Everyone loves this next one. It's not healthy, but it is delicious. If we have a pan with hot oil in it, we say fry. So you might fry an egg for breakfast, or you could fry chips if you want a nice, unhealthy snack. That is frying. We fry food. You don't want to do it every day because it's not very good for you. All that oil adds extra calories, extra fat, but it is tasty. So we fry. I've got one more for you. This one is a bit difficult to explain, so just pay attention. This one is called grill. We grill something. So to grill, we normally have a metal frame or some sort of metal to hold the food. And then we place the food close to heat. So in England, many of our cookers at home have a grill at the top. And so we put the food on a metal rack and then put it under the grill. Or, of course, you could barbecue the food. This is the same. We say this is flame grilling because we use hot fire, not electric heat. So grill is when we have some sort of metal to hold the food and we put it very close to the heat. It's a healthier way of cooking food than frying, and we usually use it for things like meat. Okay guys, I hope that helps a little bit. You've learned some new words there, and you know what words to use when you're describing your cooking. Okay, have a good one. I'll see you next time.